It gives me so much satisfaction in driving it. It's my therapy. It does everything you want it to do in a car. When it feeds back to you, it's beyond rewarding. It's your car, it's your passion, your energy. From start to finish, the whole build would have taken around 4 to 6 years. Very OEM, very sincere to its originality. Right now, I'm building this. In the background here is a 77 Mark I GTI, so it's called the Series 1 GTI, the Holy Grail. For me, I think the GTI is such a great car. It just gives you everything you need in a really compact size, but very useful, and it delivers. It's a car I've always wanted from my very early youth. When this came around, it's only meant to be a daily car. And I used it to get to work and back. It's just grown on me more and more to where it is today, a full restoration, a Golf GTI.